Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariyana Mula aka Mr. Soweto kaFele Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Into lesemakhonji la kuBlomotsotsi la kujika khona ipoti bafethu. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ntariyana bafethu. Currently we're at Martinez Drive bafethu. Martinez Drive bafethu, a food bar where they sell proper food. If you need a proper court, a proper mokodu, a proper place to network, make sure you pull up and have fun with us. Then we have the Premier Lifestyle Guest House, Zone 4, Makura Drive, bafethu. If you need a place to sleep and you are around Soweto bafethu, and you need a convenient place to sleep with unlimited Wi-Fi, 24 hours protection, wiring around the house and bafethu. But other than that, it's all Kasi stories, izokhuluma stories zasekazi bafethu. Izinto eziaffectayo, izinto ezisikhawathaya. I have Nomoro Uro and I have the general himself. So asiyenze kanje, siqale kanje. Nomoro Uno, can you give us a young intro about welcoming your people? You know how we're doing. We're doing it organically, just highlight your people.
You know, Stilo Viti Luciano, first black Italiano. Numero uno Gambino is a CTK, Zone 4. We are Conor Martinez and Imin. That's where you're going to find us. You go by the name of Easy Joseph B.
Yes,
you don't know what it is. So let's pass over to
just stay tuned, subscribe, and stay tuned. You watch from now till the end because of Funduk. Champele ngapha ke engine yami. Abathini labantu.
Sure bafethu. Yeah, we lo general bafethu umsangano wamahlasa bafethu. Yeah. Ngangicina ngonyaka odlule bafethu. Yeah, sengibuyile 2026 bafethu. Saseyini.
Yayibona. So awubatshela ukuthi manje beke ukusukela mawuze la wena uzanga ngemi. Uze ngokuzokhuluma izitori zakho zasekaso sifisile because I had rumors ukuthi wena bathi wenzela uhamba ukhuluma indaba kuma podcast webha wena ukhuluma ngempilo yakho. Ukhuluma ngempilo omunye umuntu.
Yeah, lelo ivari file bamba yada usho ivari file Ntariyana into kanjalo file le ngoba babaya once ngangena episode uzozwa ngabe emakasana yise ngishove ngabona nani mina ngisuke ngishova ngami nehlasi. Bamba shoot mawungasihlasi baselwa into ezidizwe bamba kushuthi usubaselwa istyle and la idingayifuneki bafethu. Bamba sonke sogcina siphumelelile empilweni akekho ngeke ngaphumeleli bafethu sonke siyaphambana. Ngisuke ngize la bafethu ngisuke ngizolungisa ikasi nami izinja zami ngitshele la ngidlule khona bese ngiyanitshela into right nebhedayo.
Yeah. Bamba. And enye into mfuna si clarify bafethu lama poster lokho la circulator we14 zaka March eBahrain bafethu, Bahrain Sports Ground near Diepkloof Square bafethu. I-poster engana logo yeKasi Livukile, that's not the original poster bafethu. Asiyazi le. So if anything happens regarding lawo poster ningasifaki because thina sile police station sinama number amaphoyisa sile ema-labor sifuna ama-WhatsApp agcwalisa saze sahlangane ne-council. Wena uhleli uyenza i-poster ufaka ama-details wakho uyaposter. If anything happens uzothini ndoda?
Lapha wasinekhansela
awukaze wahlangana nayo. So general asibatshele they must expect you're gonna be there.
Yeah, sikhona bafethu nge14 zaka March bafethu which is Saturday leyo bafethu. So besitholakele kangako file kuwo lamamasha yabo. Hayi lama post lawa amaningi sesibona ama post angasile manje nge14 manje. Sina saze neKasi Livukile bafethu. Yeah. Bayingena Kasi Livukile asiyazi
fake like istamp iKasi Livukile. So bafethu general uchange impilo yakhe niyabona. He's not into gangsterism. He's into media now. He's now a presenter. He's not a thug. Uchangeile iKasi Livukile alongside Tito Munadi who was on Jam early alongside Ntariyana uGeneral. Guys, come on, uNkulunkulu phendule into zakhe ukuthi nina nibone abanomona nje abangene ezulwini. So Tito,
What did I?
we are just running it on a 30-minute thing, ne?
Quick slash
Fast. Ne? The whole thing that is happening here in Soweto,
Yeah.
the spark of whatever that's happening is because of Izwe. Ne? That's why we have abantu abazenza boChester. That's why we have abantu ababhema ingidi. That's why we have ikolo yokudala besezishiswa terrorized.
Yeah.
Tell us, dog, how did you come up with the intellectual property of Izo and it? Ngicabanga ukuthi uzofaka ibase engake elokishini.
Bheka mfethu. Leyo just that thing. It was a vision. That's why his vision makes niggas get all scared. The information, the way he summed it up, if I remember. It was like Begabuda. In fact, I'm tired. Didn't sound come accommodate. Then I'm in a window. I'm accommodated. These are the things that they do. But when my target, she's about all the things that I used to tell him, it doesn't empty. Being like Kabang, to think I was going to write stories about it.
Yeah.
Because I was just telling him this, and he would actually go and, set out and break it down. To a part where my Segas was from Clefstop, he's coming to Toza, and he's coming here from Mecca. And being like Kabang, he's always a lieutenant.
Yeah.
So that showed me that those that was.
Yeah.
When my brother's
So rest in peace. So who's the white guy with the long hair?
Engas.
Engas. So over associated kanjani Izo. So the
part of production.
So when you the call
for production, those are the guys who are behind production.
So basically when you are the narrator of Izo, then there was a writer.
He's the writer.
He's the writer.
He's the writer. He is the brains. He is the mega brains behind it.
Oh, so when you just put in lapo na lapo.
Well, me, I'm all round, guys. I'm the spirit behind all round.
How so?
I'm a runner. I'm all around. That's my involvement. I'm not shooting. I'm not being
So what's a runner? Umuntu ongazisekala.
Irana is someone who's one of the productions named from Lakhusha Slate. Just about okay, no fun of shaking. Achieve the market. Just about no fun of doing camera assistant. Camera assistant. But no, you're gonna do post production. We're gonna diploma and diploma side post. So you do all round. You are a runner.
Yeah.
You get placed in jail. Wherever you fit. That way, it helps you learn the industry as a whole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then it's going to be okay. When also choose it when you fit the most. I'm fit at no, I'm fit camera itself. No, the shape,
Yeah.
So as a runner, you end up doing all that.
Okay.
So yeah.
Next.
That's how
So
it's working.
ngofuna ukubuza or ngibuza?
Abuza.
Okay, this is good. So what was happening behind Izo? Lama drugs bebawubhema kamampela.
No, but it's acting. They're acting. These boys are dope as actors.
uChester beyangademi ngamampela.
Hayi.
People abantu bathi bebema kamampela
abasukela ayikho la le nto. It was never there. Akaze nje angikhumbuli mina kuba ne bashawa madraza ngempela. There's no such active.
Basuke ba-acte kanjani?
Uroni Nyakani mfethu.
Ay, the
Papa
best.
action oqala. Uroni ya.
Papa action. Udlala Cosmo generation.
Yeah.
NSD Msibi.
Chester.
Chester. Mina ngincanywa yena. Ay.
Abona ke The way we shang the character there. It was too dope and too real that abantu we say trati.
Mfethu.
Yabona but nina Yo, I mfana mathi we share character. Yeah, bekungena acting. Shoot it was the way we custom you custom comp or like improv. What's custom improv?
You improvise.
You had to improvise. But guys scenario, that's how it is, and then you must just play it out. That's why Machita was so dope, because the character, they were not so far from, it was not acting.
It was them.
It was just them expressing what they need to express at the time.
Yazi kule nyisina ngishaya kuya shoot manje ungena la bayana ungena estore athi sabona baba leba buyabulisa athi ngiyakubona mana ngathi uthanda ubukhazikhazi ofana nami and manje uyangichaza mara i1 into engidine ngayo uchange ibhottle store yethu wayenza istore sama chips maqedwe ukhipha ingandla baba ushale la time le yabhala mina saying ukuthi ukubulala abantu but the way yenza khona
uyenze ngathi into yalayo
dog
Yabona that was far from acting. It was role play. Machita was just, that was raw acting.
no never
I'm casting in that man. I want to direct. I want to cast abantu, but keep the best of them. How can you want script? You want to figure la positive script. You want this is what you need to say. By so doing, you're taking a lot out of the character.
oh yeah
You must just give a person a character a scenario which you tell and we have figured now we story. On a man and then as into as full when the color.
yes
Then you can actually. I want to go to Hotman and a mamma to say good so very neat. Take my talent when I'm not telling a chat for second out.
yeah
They will give that good is a guy character with learn to Muntonja. It's either is he a thinker or is shy or a black man or who's a depend. Then you know where to place that person. So okay, no is a lead act. Oh no, nearly available. You know where to place a name. That's how casting works. That's the best way of casting, and that's how you cast your ball.
yes which yini noyithi yawazi amezwe izo yithi
amacabo wethu
was it one
Azonke baba mina bengibokuwo.
which one was your best izo the first one or the second one
Yeah, the first one was the one.
the first one was the
The one was the one.
no Chester was 2 ayikabi baba
Yeah,
kaDoja
it was too good, I would say.
abedlala ngaye
Ku2 bese ku Umzolisi.
yeah umzolisi no
Inkosi Dlamini,
Khotman bani Tumsane Khotman Tumsane ayikabi mara ayidlala ngakamnandi leya party leya befuna uChester befuna ukwabona NSTC
ukuthi NST speed.
ukwambona ezone 14
Zone 14 yaku.
enhleke yazi uthi njani nje manje
Ungakhohle ukuthi ibomb
Netflix.
Saseyibomb. Same cast.
Mountain Back.
Same directors.
Same. Naku konjeni
Undertow.
uzalo or what konjeni lebe kakuyo
Oh le.
yona nathi uzokushaya ngekhikilizithi la ha
Le yaku.
Hlanyile kwesibhamu semzini
hayi leya nhlaka bese umthola ku ihostel like
You're still no we sing different production.
and
Bengasaseyibomb.
mari khali
Seku abomandla. Simandla Ura Mandla. Yeah,
but it's still like each and every character mupa yona la muntu dog
Yeah, you share the way.
yemera
That Zulu character.
Universal, you are scouting talent.
Yeah.
Why is Ernest Msibi not acting in a movie in America? Now
Because he is not making moves to go act in a movie in America. It's all in what you do. You wanna get to be an actor. Good acting is all about auditions, my name.
yeah,
Good, great actors. Uzokutshela bomfana kaMavuso, uzokutshela ke ulele ukuthi all it takes to be a good actor is going for ama-auditions. Kumele uyo-auditiona all the time.
So the-
Ungabi nekhanda elikhulu ukuthi mina because I was seen where mabathi kune-audition wena you don't go cast. Kumele uyo-casta for your audition.
So Ernest Msibi ke Universal, just do something. Cabanga Ernest Msibi no Sylvester Stallone.
Lande wena, lande
Ene-
ufike umtshele ukuthi hey ka bheka-ke mfethu. Athi ngine
Contact ngane mina.
no, angithi ushaye pilot.
Yeah,
Pilot ye movie so. Athi sikufake la. Wena ufike with direct. Because
Yeah.
it's your vision, it's not his.
Yeah.
Lento ibona yena kayibona.
Yeah.
So what you see, you go get. That is the mentality that works out there. When you see something,
Go
do not
get
just
it.
sit there and you're blabber about it. You do it.
But cause I can do it. You own
Not
it.
because you can do it. It's
I-
done because
it's
you're
done.
gonna do it.
Yes.
The sooner you actually start taking ama-cams, you start to tripod yakho, uthatha iself, ufike uthi,
Seyenza-ke.
it's a done deal.
Cabanga having you.
So if you want something done, you put it in a book. So you must write it.
I must write it down.
You write it down
on my
first.
notepad.
Once it's written,
It's
it
done.
is actually done.
It's working.
Mara mama kayibhala kusase idea. No idea is original. It's never what you do, but how it's done.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing new under the sun.
Yeah. Cause that's in Cabanga. You know what's in my mind? I'm thinking of you. You owning a record label company, ne? But you smuggle drugs, ne? Then we have Sylvester Mofokeng. We have Utra, ne? They are also smuggling drugs in another way in clubs. Then we have Ernest Msibi, who's running the streets. His boys who's general. You understand? So you have a dope ass studio, you smuggle drugs, you are friends with gangsters, but Ernest Msibi is doing something else and you pay into an income. You understand that scenario?
Manje uyayibhala.
You understand what it's
Consider it written.
manje ulibhala ngathi
You know what is actually
Say you
happening.
badile njengoba
Whatever,
siyibheke
whether
manje.
it's gonna work or not.
Ibhaliwe.
So is that something that you
Oh,
would like to
uthi
see
into-
or not?
Uyayi-
You let us know.
mangishoba kanje ngisuke
Email.
sengibhalile
So ibhaliwe.
Martinez, the food
God.
bites where you must let us know whether
Ngisho
that
into
is
easy
fun.
kanje.
Will it work?
Kamshangazi iyitori kawuzibhaya ka ya mina ngakhiphela isitori sasendlini ngikhiphela isitori sestrata ya
Okay, athi sizwe izitori zakho.
Eh?
Athi sizwe zakhe izitori. Siyabhala manje.
Esizosishaya sibe kube yibrand. Season 1.
eyasendlini fide bamba ngiqale ngale baleke kakhulu
Okay, sharp.
yeah obvious yabo istory sasendlini phakathi yabamba bengizoshaya ezikhambani like sisakhula fide yabamba yasakhuliswa already grand yabamba abazali grand sebalonini indlela ebebasiphatha ngayo like sisakhula kanti
Yeah.
nathi ngendlela ebesiyiyo sakhula
Yeah.
yabamba iyaveza lapho wonke lamaphathi lawo yabamba bese ukukhula kwethu ke lapho ke sekuyaqala ke lapho kusekuvezwe endlini yabamba kube khona mhlambe mina ngilasbone kwami
Yeah.
khona abakroti ke kunami yabamba
Yeah.
so zikhona abantu abakroti kanje emzini like kuzoshawa ini mhlambe thola inento esidalayo emzini mhlambe bomasipani or ini kanje yabamba makushawa isipani kanje mhlambe mina ngizoza nombono ngithini ngithi yazi masingadala kanje senze kanje kuzophuma lokho and igrand la ile yabamba obvious mhlambe kuze umuntu omdala efike thini athi hayi asenze kanje yabamba obvious zamdala kanje kuzodalwa yona lento leshiwo uye lo muntu lo ngoba mdala yabamba
Yeah.
leshiwo intwana encane kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi bayibamba
Yeah.
yabamba into bazoyidala sekulethe yabamba
Tell them what you must. Really.
shawa
this
into yamuntu omdala into yamuntu omdala izibhekelele eceleni sebakhumbula le yami
Yeah.
so intwana encane yabamba
Yeah.
futhi lapho bengifuna uqondisa ini noma ngathiwa phele ublomena amakrotman yabamba like nawe unombono
Yeah,
nawe
yeah,
unombono yabamba soze lokhu intwana encane kanje yabamba soze siblome kanje yabamba
Yeah.
mhlambe khona into engayidenka mhlambe yabamba like enamasimbi ukudlula leni idenkayo lokhu
Yeah,
nokuthi kanje
yeah.
baba ngenze nombono onamasimbi
Yeah.
yabamba ma abantu abadala babhaya la ile ngabayinaki yabamba
Yeah,
khona
bamba.
siyadu yabamba ukuthi kwesinye izinto sisanokuthi makuthiwa siyashova siyabalayitisa kuthiwa sentelela abantu abadala niphendula abantu abadala inayo
Yeah.
inkinga
Yeah.
yomuntu omdala like akafuni
Umdala.
ukuzwa
Ayizilo.
Umdala vele.
Hey.
Kumele yazi uma umdala mfethu. Suke vele umdala.
Umdala.
Yabo. Izinto zozenza isidala.
Yeah.
Izinto ezibhaye manje zizokudlula ngoba manje wena umuntu omdala.
Umdala.
Izinto dala zakudlula. Somele ulayitise vye ubuyise ezweni ngoba wena umuntu
dala
mabafuna
Awusumuntu
ukulayita
wama.
bafuna kwenziwe yona leshiwo
labo
Webamba.
bazosala mntana ungayi ngabo ungayi ngabo bazobuya ngeenyawo
into engishoyo ukuthini mina wonke umuntu unembono okulokhu kawo akusanantwana mhlambe ngokuthini ngokwengqondo yayibamba
Yeah.
mawuzoya ngokuthini le intwana nani yayibamba ezinye izinto lezo esibhayizisayo yayibamba
Yeah.
intwana encane engakuniki umbono onamasimba mhlambe ikufica uhlulwe into edizi intariyana lapho sitakile nawe uyabona ayi la ngathi
Ivelita.
ivelita
Presa
kwenziwa
la,
lapho
la,
mawuthi
la.
uyabona nawe ukuthi awukanti into edomu
mara abantu
Ayisekho
abadala
into,
ubabona
intwana.
ngefoni nihlulwa ifoni kusho khona ukuthi senibadala
sure
allow us to help you guys ukuthi nifike somewhere yabo yeah so coming to that general yeah you were saying the itori zasekhathi wena siphethe eziphi obona ngathi zi-affect ikhathi because masikazi siyama-advocate sikhulumela ikhathi
ya phela ezasekhathi phela like bekuzoba isitori sikanjani yabo mhlambe sozisikanje
Yeah.
yayibamba siboma mhlambe siboma 5 ke
Yeah.
yayibamba mhlambe kuthiwane sothini mhlambe sibona into enamasimba khona yestradini ayi nathi siyahlanya yo kawudayile ngilayo ibonile yayibamba lapho siyintwana nathi yayibamba
Yeah.
ngasithi ayi mele ngishashaye already nami mele ngibhayele ayi nami sonke sesojuthana no ayi
Yeah.
nami mele ngibhayite kanje nami mele ngibhayite kanje yayibamba
Yeah.
wena mawufika kwakhe emzini efile already azibona into kanje nakanje amsendele isithombe mntanami ngizokulandela yayibamba kanjani
Yeah.
noka mhlambe makafika kubo kuba the same thing file ngizokubhayela ama lezi ezithi masingena endlini uma already into kanje ungazongihlanyela wena into edura kanje wena yayibamba yize ezinye izinto ezidalana ukuthini abantu bagcine sebadala into ezirong mara kokunye abanye abantu bayazenza ngoba bancane ukwenzani like ngizoyibiza kanjani mhlambe like interana ngiyabona like uyasula nani
Yeah.
nami sengifuna ukuba uwe no
Yeah,
dayile
yeah.
ngide iyakubhayizisa le
Yeah.
bamba ukuthini ufuna ukuba umunye umuntu
uyazikhohlwa wena
bese uyazikhohlwa ugcina sewudala ama-flop ngoba usabathe ubheka ufana naye yena ngathi unyuka kakhulu usabheka ukuthi ufana naye
Yeah,
sewuzofuna
yeah.
ukwenzani lapha ekugcineni
Ukumosha.
ugcine sewudala into ezingekho ngenxa yokuthini ufuna ukufana namajini kanti uma uyi-out nje grand enengqondo
awubi uwe
kumele ufunde ka ukuthini ukurelax ka ubone wamukele ukuthi bheka nalelo bhluko ka babuya nale emzini naye Kristu uleli ka weKristu yani ngicabangile
yeah
kunabantu abangabuyelwana next into real
esho mfethu mina emfanekisweni
kunabantu
esikhulu
abangabuyelwana next ka
abangazi nothando lomzali
bese wena uyayihlanyisa wena umzali wakho mayezokubuyela nalento angeke azongibuyela nejini ngifuna itekisi mina ubani ukufundisa
emfethu kunabangambuyeli ne-underpan
bese wena at least abantu ababhaya bamba bakwazi
Aba-appreciate.
ukwamukela lokho khona mawukwazi ukwamukela lokho khona ukwazi ukulinda ayikho into engafiki ngeke uhlalukane
angeke uhlalokana
nami ngisanokusho ka ukuthi ya mina idladla ngizolibhaya nani mara no ngisanongagelezi isipani ngisanokuthola lawo ma-piece job nyana mara ukuthi ngizoyibhaya ngani angazi mara pheka ngisasho
Yeah.
namanje idladla ngizolibhaya
Mina-
angeke ngibhode ngingakalutholi
mina thi ngitshele something uyabona manje ntwana yami impilo yakho itshentshile
Yeah.
use-TV idladla uzolibhaya uhleli phansi uyangi-understand uyabona masikanje bafethu yonke into esiyifunayo nalo muntu obhekile ekhaya uzoyithola yonke into efunayo it only takes consistency uyayibona ungabi nendaba ukuthi ibonwa abantu abayingaki iba nendaba ukuthi iphoste kayingaki uyangi-understand mfethu yonke into lemhlabeni beyicreatele thina uyangi-understand imali imoto nani nani beyicreatele thina just we need to find labo bantu abazohlangana ne-universe yethu ukuthi sizobuilda something sonke
Yeah, there feel usho viva nami yo feel into engisayibhekile yabamba ukuthi like izibhaya nami interani into engisangazidala ngilokhu ngihleli kanje yabamba
Yeah,
ezinengqondo ezinombono sekuthini angeke ngikwazi ukuzidala ngilokhu ngiyiwani kanje
obvious
yabamba ngisashoda nangabantu
obvious
yabamba ezizokwazi ukuthini sikwazi ukuhlanganisa imibono yethu sonke yabamba sikhiphe into enengqondo
yeah
ngoma ngizoya ngokuthina ngifuna ukuba greed ngiyenze kiwani layiding angeke ngidale layiding le angeke ifane la nemasohlala phansi sonke singamagidi sifake imibono yethu sibona phela yakho mhlambe iyabheda la mara singayenzi bekanje
Yeah.
uyayibamba
Yeah.
like iyasiza le nto mhlawumbe uthi ngicabanga ukwenza into ekanje ngavele ngithi hayi iyabheda leyo nto bese ngingasho ukuthi yenzani
Awungiphi isolution.
at least uma ngizothini hayi iyabheda leyo nto leyo kumele wenze into ekanje nakanje khona izoba great
Sure.
uyayibamba ungaveli nje
Nice,
umale
partner.
Yeah.
bamba
Yeah.
kufuneka into ekanjalo siphilisane emhlabeni uma engathi no yo ayisekho right engile
Sexual
ngabe kubona
dance
unyuka nuka usuyabhayiziseka
So i-competitor yakho.
yebo nomuntu osondelane naye kanje like usanokubathelwa into edizi like umuntu unaye kanje out yakho
Yeah.
uyayibamba
Yeah.
marabheka mhlambe ibulawa singasho feri ukuthi ifana nomona la idingile
Yeah.
mara intwana ezibhaya abantu abasestradeni kanje ababa nomona
Yeah.
so mhlambe siyintwana kanje uyayibamba ezinye intwana nazo ziyaba nomona
Yeah.
mhlambe zingibona ngishaya leyo nto le encane seziyasho ukuthi hawu general ngathi sekayaphumelela no
Yeah.
seziza ngama-complain angasile ngawe uyabona ukuthini gcina sekuza namabhikinyana angekho ngenxa yento ezidizi
Yeah.
ungibona ngazathi ngiyaphumelela ngento encane nje engiyenzayo
For ukuthi ngivele ku-podcast.
hey noma ngikhipha ijezi nje ngaleyo design nyana nje
Sokwatile.
sokwatile wena ngoba nawe mhlawumbe une-brand ugcine ngayo leyo design eyi-one
Yeah.
mhlawumbe uma ubona bheka ngikhipha into enamasimba wena suyaqina
Yeah.
suza ngamabhifinyana angasile and kulokhu umuntu once ngaba nebeef nawe sengizofaka abantu nokuthi indabazana ngayo
Mara why udaki like makalwa nomunye udaki afuna ukufaka abanye abodaki.
inkinga iba la
Wawungayimeli into yakho.
Tribal.
hayi le ntwana le angithandi
Thina
ngoba
bodaki.
uyithandi wena
Uthini onombolo.
Tribalism.
Tribalism.
Bodaki, yeah.
Ah.
Not thina bodaki. Generalize them. Immediate makuthina awukhuluma awudmini. Awukhuluma into ekhulunywa uwe wena sewukhulumela the crowd.
Into ekhuluma mphala.
So umuntu onokuthina is always speaking on the basis of everyone, which is mainly speculations. Umuntu onjalo akenaphala. Because umuntu ovalo uzokutshela what they see, what they envision, or what they experience based on their own vision. Leyo muntu une-stand sokuthi angakutshela something which comes from them. But uma ngizokhuluma ngokuthi thina sinjani, that's generalization. That's general. The general talk is common. So into common won't take you anywhere. But something that's going to take you somewhere is that thing that actually it can revitalize it from your own state. Lobhekane nayo. Ingangakana.
Yeah.
And who are you within that shit?
Yeah.
Kuya ngokuthi we as Jay, what is your part? What's your role? That's why angeke ugcine sofuna ukwenza something yenza usomeone else.
Yeah.
Differentiate from that. Into ezenza ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngoba mina into ngiyayithuna uyibona ngisifanele ukuthi wena ungafuni ukuzibona wena yini.
Yeah.
Ukuthi uzosuke unake something outside of you.
Yeah.
Thina abodala.
Yeah.
Yabona ukuthi thina siva. Then you are generalize. Then you can't generalize ukuthi people are individual.
No.
Umuntu umuntu. Asifani singabantu as much as sifana singabantu.
Yes, for me guys elifanayo mara sifani saba.
So it's ile nto yokwenza sense out of no sense. It doesn't have to make sense, but it's nonsense.
Yeah.
Because as much as singafani singabantu, the only way you're gonna learn a person is by knowing a person.
Yeah.
Not because of what you heard of a person. Uzoba an experience yakho wena self ngomuntu ukuthi ole so.
Yeah.
The way wena ngikwazi ngakhona, umntana angeke akwazi ngaleyo ndlela because you can actually refer to. People will know you different.
Yes.
Abanye bazokwazi based on what they've heard.
Yeah, yeah.
But how will a person know the true you ukuthi wena into kutarana ubani kanjani? It's only going to take a person observing and learning you on a daily basis. So leyo mentality asinayo about dark. Because now dark, you're in the dark. You remain in the dark. Mara singabantu as people uyageleza ngomuntu ukuthi okay, you know, irrespective of what thina zasezone 5 siso. Tarana ubuye zone 5, but look at his mentality. He's different because he does things different in this sense and in this manner.
Yeah.
Ingqondo yakhe ikule state it takes a person ozokobserve kumele ngikugeleze on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Angeke ngisuke ngibone lezo zinto lezo just because I'm pulling it up my ass.
Yeah.
Don't work like that. Observe it.
Nah.
You need to observe certain things. You must hang around people you want to know about. If you
Yeah.
hang around a person you have an interest on, then you have a reason to want to fucking be with a person.
Yeah.
Mara when umuntu nje for the sake of umuntu, what is it?
What are you benefiting?
So yini le ufuna ukuyicaba ngale umuntu? What is interesting you ngale umuntu?
Yeah.
Then ungakhopha ditsala. You must choose your fucking friends correct.
Yeah. Speaking about friends, let's talk about laying for no user from wena as umdala. Then his user from general. Ne? I have 2 questions for you. What's your take about the streets of Soweto? Ne? In terms of friendship.
One take on the street because you can't have a take on the street. The street is consistent.
Yeah.
The street has changed. We change the culture within the street. Your interest must be focused on the cultures within the street.
Let's talk
what
about the
new
culture.
Okay, now I need to see in the way of 26,
Yeah.
27. The culture as Pantola has now evolved into where the prison lifestyle has been modernized and now it's been glamorized.
Yeah.
So that is the current state and no acres now.
Yeah.
People's interest. Mind frame. Compared to back then when Tina Sisa pushed the state of hip hop, as compared to this, where have you seen the social ill things? It's not my role models if you look at it deeply.
Yeah, I was
Money role model, is that how it is?
If you know- Yeah.
That's the only fucking way you see them.
No, what do?
Mina mankhula the amakhulman abota Jangsini abona amakhulman do amakhumsha the khulman ukuthi ayabona mangafana noTalukas angizoba yini
Look at Mantaria. Yeah.
amachita abo Robert Hood niggas who used to do shit the criminality states are back then ama-criminal wasekhasi bewamosha esilungini bazofika elokisini basifake isigela basifake entweni basithengela amakhosi like ukuclaimer bebukhona
Yeah.
akunaclever like us akusena ama-role model like us role model sekukuthini ukhasho being a junkie, being a druggie. Almost every in every 10 houses, amatita sego amacham. There's more chicks more empowered in Kaslami more than amatita empowered. Amatita, there's like 80% amatita aspad and 90% amatita aspana. So amatita was second in households. There's about Tigin who are now the heads of households because they have the more kahunas than amati. So amatita upset communicate Kaslami.
Yeah.
As much as in out the reason I am so fucked up in the island, you say Lokshini, but I'm in my own place because I hardly go out because there's nothing for me to live out there. I work how much it now. Chita Seko. I can't tell Nati, I want to lay out time. I think you're ringa into any mondo now. Or I guess Tangan into a pambili now. Chita Buko, because there's no fucking role model.
Yes. Speaking about that, behind the camera, Bong Chalanya out to go to there's a brew that is known that is selling whatever that is selling, but nobody has seen him. Those are speculations. One
Ding Ding is a name, fam. It's a mythical name. No one has ever seen the face behind the face and the name Ding Ding, but they know the name and they know the place to go get what they want from Ding Ding. He's been there. He's like a Kaiser Soze of this game. Actually, he even passed on. Come to think of it, now that I know the truth is was a Orlu Mata.
How did you all?
He existed and he all left. Natural causes because he was an old man. He was an old Jew. He passed on and his legacy still lives on. Now mind you, people go there mentioning his name without knowing and putting a face to his name.
Yeah.
That's a powerful name.
No. So we're not Jenna, what you take about the entire show regarding like ubupanzulo ukuthi yena amapanzula wakudala bewahamba yophanda le abuye azofida igazi then amapanzula we generation yenu ahebisela amafoni
bamoshikazi yabona ukuthi akusihle.
Yeah, phela phela ushevivari ngoba babhaya phela abantu abashokanga abantu. Mina mangizwela phela ngegebe ngezibhaya phela edla abantu abadala phela mhlawumbe ngike ngazwela phela bazokutshela ukuthi ya thina besuka la eKasi intona yami siba soshayela le amabhunu ini
Bazwakala nama-target, bazwakala nge-truck.
ini ebamba bese
Truck igcwele ama
mayisonke isigebengu sakudala
50
manje
kilo.
singitshela ngamabhunu manje maye mina sothi ngintona encane kanje manje ngiyazibuza bafethi maybe bakwazi
Thathele umfana ucovela wena intwana yaseKasi engena next uhluphekile. Bakuthengele ngemali yedumbu, imali yehewa. Bakuthathela ifungo. Yabona ukuthi manje akunabuhle because wena uzithathela ibhadi. Mawuzosuka ubamba umuntu ongena fokolo, umthathele umphaka. Uthatha ibhadi inyembezi zomuntu. Leyo item inenyembezi. And inyembezi zomuntu ohluphekile azazi ukuthi zibuhlungu kanjani. That is why akunahleba eyandawo. Sezigcwele amahlanya sogcwele iKaSlolo.
Because of
Shit like that inyembezi zaloyo muntu lo. So mawubheka inyembezi zabantu aboma 5 wena ucabanga ukuthi uzoya kwenzakalani nawo ngoba uyashabala uphila. So we self kill, it's called self destruction njalo. Kasi siphila nge self destruction, siyazibulala thina self. Akekho umuntu ongakhawathi lokishini except wena self. Because your conscience izokutshela ukuthi lento uyenzile idome ni wrong, mara uyayithuna anyway knowing ukuthi wenza into stupid.
Ne.
And it can only result to one thing.
So sorry for cutting you out. Usakhuluma general plus uthe uyakhona ukusichange. So regarding to the question that I asked before, amapantsula wamanje awarepossess athathele umuntu omnyama ekubeni ukuthi kusasa ungashada khona bese nobamba inkosi. What we take about that ukhulumela iyouth yakho not ukuthi ukhuluma ngama group, ukhulumela ama 2001 ukuthi hayi kwisona so wena uyasho ukuthi ningashintsha
Generation.
Ngingasho ukuthi singashintsha feel obvious siyabona ayide ngisho feel ukhulumanena ngiyamuzwa feel umbono wakho ukuthi uthini yabamba futhi ya ungenile feel wona yabamba mara inkinga obvious soze sintona engcane kanje asazi mabhunu ukuthi itholakala kanje and obvious into nencane ehluphayo yini asizazi ukuthi zisuke kusuke sekhambini zicabangeni zona kuze zihluphe kanje yabanga ngoba ngibona ukuthi khona umuntu ongavele ehluphe nje ephuma athi manje senyothatha ifoni manje ngena ku ngiyaphuma nje senyoshaya impama ngithatha ifoni hayi suke kunesidingo.
That's why kufuneka lama big brother program yabona look man kuba a role model to young boys. We're in a camp mntwana kuleyo camp leyo sithatha amajimbo kuphela masikuthi mana vani mntwana we with the young boy wazi ukuthi mntwana semncane siklase hlukumezekile. Then you're going to teach that boy morals, ethics and values, what it makes you be a man, ukuthi yini kuba ithi. Those are the type of things ezishota ngazo like us. Social ills. You need to go to the social development office lapho ku-Ernest. Sifike sitshela u-Ernest ukuthi empana sinama social ill factor. Drugs is the main thing for one. Sishaya ama-school after school program, meaning from 2 till 6. Angithola between 8 and 2 it's a responsibility yabo teacher nama-easy ukuthi bavele banakekele ingcosi. But between 2 and 6 ingcosi must be escala. That space kula kwenzakala all the nonsense and all the bullshit. So phakathi riding there. Say school after school program. The school after school program. So sizabo young. Then we can have role models.
Ngifakutshela ngina-sports lesokudisha ukuthi bheka makuthiwa bekhona isport sokudisha amapantsula amayibuya esigela ayesportini sokudisha adlala itennis abanye bayagiyeza abanye badalana uyayibamba
manje mina ngine-concern kunale ntwana lezi ezibaleke emakasi wazo zizocasha e-Deep Blue emkhukhwini oyi-1 kumele babhadale rent bazoya kolamabhook club bazoya kolama-tennis mara kumele kubhadale rent so bazoyibhadala kanjani
bayenzani bona
kumele babuyele emakubo
kumele bayekhaya ayikho indawo yabo bazofuna bangazisijwayela kahle
kumele nje thina
labo kumele bavale
kumele beze showini bazoxolisa kumphakathi mina ngipublishe umphakathi usho ukuthi yabaxolela umntana nomntana buyile emzalini azithola bafethe nicabangani ngale nto le yama okay sharp ne kona into esiskipayo and asiyibone it's a call le ndaba yama forum ne sihlala ku forum ne iforum khumbula kune kitchen kune camera la ka mama
dining room
kune kitchen kune dining room kune camera la ka mama no baba then kune camera liwa uyakhula uba mdala uba na 30 sekumele wenza into zakhe uyaphuma ebusuku ubuya late yakusukwakho lana ngeke ufike late
vela kusukwa
uyangithola unemedi akwazi ukungojela uyangunderstand
ukungotshela kini kanjani
uyayibona
ukuthi ujwayela
so
ama fixed plan
uyayibona so yenza lento le bheke ukuthi yenza le ntwana lena le ehlala ku forum ne apparently kuba bakhona sorry unfortunate but then le ntwana lena kuma bazolule bayitshela ukuthi
mahlakaniphile yofaka iroom ngaphandle
yeah but
mahlakaniphile nangahlakaniphanga yenza anything else outside of kuyofaka iroom ngaphandle ngoba
Yeah.
ijahela ukuthi ibe ne state ikwazi ukwenza izinto zayo
so
and leyo it takes only ukuthi ufake iroom ngaphandle
Ngaphandle.
mangakwazi ukufaka iroom umhlathi wakho ayikho indaba yakho
So-
umhlathi
so,
wakho
no.
anything else outside of that nonsense
yeah so I just want to put the story because it's something that's happening kubanye abantu abajoyinanga lento abazijoyinele because
mhlathi yabo labo bantu
Okay,
mhlatheni
Yewantshile
andengi
skis.
ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukujumpa ama stage ujahela ukuba ujahela ukuba iHlotman ujahela ukuba uJollington ubambe mara awuna stage
And
wenzani uthini ungeke umondle uzomkhona kanjani usadliswa udlakini uyaphakelwa maqedwe uzofuna ukuba nemali wenzani usayiboleka istage masijwayelwe
So-
shit in order
Yeah.
zinto zihamba ngama stages bro mawusese ku stage sokuba incosi ba incosi manje usase incosi ngoba you live under your parents roof mahlala under your parents roof you live under your parents rules you can't make rules angeke uze no Josephina kamama akho alele ngayine egama lakho uzoletha uJosephina kini uyahlanya noma uyazihlanzisa masijwayeli kabi wena go revert go back
okay
stages incosi kuba incosi hamba oba umntwana uhlala kini mangena imali yokuyofaka iroom ngaphandle ku forum yakini baba ungajoli ujolelani ngoba uzomisa uyoboleka istage kuba umpintshi yakho nakhona manje ulala kumashitwe uyofaka umntana abantu kungcola kwamashitwe amendende nomjuluko wempintshi yakho hayi wena don't rush into anything
Okay, oh,
easy yebena bheka la easy baba chill easy plumb until you can build a room outside or at least uhlanganise ne 3.5 ukuthi ube nomkhukhu ufaka umkhukhu ngaphandle then uzoletha umntwana mangena imali yokufaka umkhukhu khohlwa awudeserve ukujola awudeserve ukutonjwa
Hey, yes. So it's serious. I was continuing upon my scenario. Né? So let's say when you don't smoke drugs, you don't do anything, but you always party. Then sometimes you get but so you started going about Tito or about General. Né?
Uyabona into
You
engingayifuni.
sleep there.
Engingayifuni.
You sleep there. You don't do substance. You only smoke. You only drink
baba
alcohol.
ayifuni wenzani
Then you end up.
wenzani baba
I need
you
a
live under your parents roof they rules when uzozenzela ama rules wakho kabani makwenze njani uyatakwa yini wena baba get your own home so you can get your own rules if you can't afford to have your own roof motherfucker stay in your mama's house and be a child ungazosijwayela la suba namahoba aqole lokishi because you think you can be the man you can't even buy bread awukwazi ukubuy inzo mara ucabanga ukuthi wena uyindoda uzoletha umfazi what the blood clot ayikho riding baba kids remain kids umntana baba remain kids so mahlala ku forum kini ulala ekitchen or red dining room ayifuni thini awujoli wenzani ngomjolo ungakhafu
yiyo lento ekhisha amajita
Oh.
le azijole sewagcona itraka
Oh.
ngenxa ukuthi afuna indawo
Oh.
zamadroom
Yeah.
uyayibona isuka from
ningazosikhinya la hawu ngisifakela amakwala angafuneki baba asifuni khinyology mawungaka afford don't start it if you don't have a hunch don't start it awujoli baba nyekela mntana abantu adlule
Man, sifuna ukuba
abamazizwe inkulumo ezikanje zihlanyele emuva nazo zingena
okay ngcono ke uqale qala kancane
Eh,
3000 yeki rent ngekuyikhona every month
sezivula imali zelona
funa 3.5
kulabantu sathela khona
ku 3.5
ila khamba
then
khona
une
amafoni
private
nje obubalayitisa kanje ila ingakho sesithathelwa amafoni ngoba sekufuneka yona le mali yomkukuma izophuma
3.5
3.5 izophuma
bheka njayami noma ungayishaya highest ke uma kuye ukuthi wenzani as long uzoba ne 3.5 yokuthi ube nomkhukhu kini ube nakwakho kini
Yes,
right
right.
mara mangena kini ekhohla boy ukini
awusibhoza kini ungwana
Mara ngeke
baba
bazokuxosha
bheka la
kithi,
umntwana you are a child so when you live under your parents roof you are a child I don't give a flying fuck who you are kid
nalabo
you
malume
are a
abaqosha
child
abantwana emakubo hayi meni kancane nabo
malume
mamkhulu
ungaqosha abantwana kubo no?
nabo mamkhulu
malume ungasijwayeli nawe malume uqeda abantwana isinkwa uqale lapho manje uyabaqosha malume ungasijwayeli malume grow up intanga zakho zile zinamakwabo hayi kithi la malume uzosibhalela amabona ngamapende ungasikhini azwana nabo malume abangenangcono zwana nabo malume abayaziyo ukuthi abashana isinkwa sabashana azidliwa abona umalume ozocaba ukuthi isinkwa sabashana azidliwa angeke azophitinisa abashana aphilisa abashana inonsonsa lokathi githi angena kwakhe abomalume banabakwabo so go get your own man
before you become a malume
uzoba umalume kanjani uzophushana nabo mashana la kabo kagogo ungena kanjani ekamereni ukokakeza malume go get your own intanga zakho zile zinakwazo umalume basulokuthi bayakhathaza abokhathala baba get your own go get your own nigga go get your own ngazositshela ngabokithi ayohlulwa yilefu liye ngaphandle azosikhinya bayakhinya labo malume nyana basinakho kuyithi lona nabo mamkhulu baba umama kufika she's gone go get your own house that's the mentality we need to teach our kids get your own house nomntana kungazoloku ukufundisa umntana ukuthi ya mntana le ndlu yakho eyami yakho baba my house go get your motherfucking own my son knows to go get his crib baba go get your own my shit is my shit your shit is your shit go get your own I'm not going to raise a nigga to be a naggy on me uzoloku ungikhalela njalo my daddy's shoes my baba it's mine what's mine is mine
what's yours
get your own so Soweto Mike ukuze sivuke we need to get our own shit get your own get out there and get your own baba
akukho
mangase yakho akuseyakho get your own baba
manje lo struggle engakwazi to get
baba kuna struggle in life you struggle in the mind because of you stuck up in doing what someone else is doing no you know your strength uyazazi ukuthi wena weak va strong va wena uyazitava if I'm strong ngokukhuluma or I'm strong ngokucula that's my strength when I'm strong ngezandla go use your hands and get your own you need to get your own cigarette you need to get your own food get your own
aba-strong ngokucula noma ngoku-acta nani angithi
get your own
uvele usukume nje
baningi nabo bacwema ngokucula ngoba bahlezi babhajele they don't have shit
mina nginamasimba
because they don't have their own
nginamasimba ngoku-acta nangokubhala mina ngeke ngivele ngisukume nje ngithi
wena ntwana yami kuyomele you must get up and get your own uthola i-agent you get an agent i-agent mabathi kune-audition uyavaya your-audition then you gonna get your own up until logo you ain't doing shit boy
but
get up and get your own
so
ain't nobody got time for that get your own yes asikhuluma into ebhayi lokushini
so
get your own baba ungangizeli ngento zakabantu bani ekamama ugogo wami asifuni kwazi la thina sithi go get up and get your own
this is the real Kasi stories bafethu
no iKasi la imvamvani sizishasha sikhuluma amanga
get your own
thina we get up and we get our own hey baba get up and get your own wena usipana ngamakaka or uwasha amadish or uyachanyela or baba you get up and you get your own
so tell me something before we wrap it up a glimpse about Request. How was your life with Request living under the same roof?
That boy yeah, Mfana Biscuit. You know, Biscuit is the sweetest boy ever. He's the cooler. He's the coolest kid ever, Mfana. And yafunda leyana is teachable.
Yeah.
Ukwesta ufuna ukwazi ya manje senza kanjani.
Fana nami so.
Uyangithola nami. Yeah, he's that type of nigga, but he's the coolest kid ever, boy. K1.
Get your
Love you the best, my boy. I'm proud. On that, when every time I look at Questa, I smile like a proud dad watching his own son that made it. He knows where that comes from.
Yeah. So bafethu Nota allegedly say
Ukanda.
yeah he's a
unothi
father
Ukanda.
he's a father to Maporisa and
Oh, yeah?
Ukabza his grandson.
Serious?
So what makes you
I'm their God.
oh
I am their God.
why
because
are you their God?
I fathered their father who fathered them, who's Noto.
You fathered
That's my
Nota.
son. Kanda is my little egg. I raised that egg to become a very proper chicken now that hatched, and the rest are chickens. So if he did that for Pori, that's nice. That means we gods, like Super Saiyan God. Yeah, you go generation pop. I mean, they all know that I'm their God. I'm the God that introduced them to independence from record labels and saying, go get your own, stand up, get your shit, sit in the board meeting. I mean, they know. The reason there's family trees is because there was us and Slachos, and then we said, go get your own. You know what I'm saying? So
Or even your vest.
we gods, all of y'all,
Kumnandi
all of y'all,
ukayinika mfethu.
all of y'all, all of them, dog.
Bathiwa amanika
Not
bekwazi
one,
ukukhuluma
not two,
isiZulu
not
ngabe
three.
nami ngile
All
negala
of them.
isiZulu.
Tholo kwakho.
Ilokho sathi
Tholo kwakho.
izulu linathi bo.
Yeah.
Izulu lina.
Tholo kwakho.
Tholo kwakho.
Get your own. Ungazosikhalela njalo lokuthi yiphi map. Baba, mawuphuma eklasi, mawufuna ukuthi sigcwale ngawe. Get your own. Mawufuna sikulandele. Get your own. Mawufuna ukuthi sikubheke. Get your own.
So a question to General. Since we started shooting in Castle Vukile, I've noticed good like the level of gangsterism like asiyehlile enyana, especially like the blue. But ngizwa uthi kunezinye ezenzakalayo then basifihla ngale poster le march. Kwenzakalani kahle kahle?
Yeah, obvious angithi lama post emashivile asemaningi nami sekuyadideka manje ngazideka silivukile.
Nami
mase
ngazideka.
sekugcwala ama post esingawazi manje angenayo
Bazofuna
nelogo
ukwenza into
yadaya
ezisimanga.
amakhasilivukile.
Bazofuna ukuzomona.
Bazoyenza into ebhedayo bese kwenzakalani bavala ngayo le post le angiyifuthile.
Yeah.
Kwenzakala udoti bese kubuya kwenzakalani ihost yankeTariana.
Manje nina nenze sure ukuthi nabheka ukuthi you always look
As long as ingenalogo ekhasilivukile.
Mayikasi leloko le ekhasilivukile mali ngekho. It's not ours.
Ikhasilivukile mangekho.
So amathita mabafuna ukuthi bayenze into zabo zihambe kahle. Get your own. Uyezolu
And
khova ukubambana nento
event iphela ngo1 sihlangana ngo10 ngo1 sesicedile after 1 whatever happens after 1 yilaba balama poster amaningi get your own.
Tholo kwakho.
Tholo kwakho.
So the name of the show is
Get your own.
Get your own.
Ayikasi tholo kwakho.
Mina ngegama bafethu ngibeke ngukahle Khontarela Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafela Mutseba aka Mr. Cool himself. Into laseMakhonje la Global to
Tilo Vici Luciano. First Black Italiano. Namanje I'm still
Yeah bafethu.
Get your own.
Msangano wamahlase ku Facebook utholakele ngalo legama msangano wamahlase bafethu. Yonke indawo na ku TikTok msangano wamahlase. Danko bafethu.
Masithi Soweto.
Get your own.
Masithi Soweto bafethu.
Ngazositshela ukuthi kukithi lana. Khathela ukuthi mangihambe ecustomer mabonda abhaliwe kukithi lana. Hey baba, get your own. Akusukwakho kukini. Hambo tholo kwakho. Get your own.
Izwakala kahle ngesiZulu.
So bafethu mina mangithi Soweto bafethu sithi sighetto. Asiyeni ke bafethu Soweto sighetto and what? Get your own.
Wekukuchini.
Adiscello.
Anisitshela isikhathele yini ngobomalume nikosha abantwana buka abantu bandla
Alumo
isikhathele
ngasipani ohlalela amazolo.
waya
Adiscello.
abanye
Betele abantwana inzolo.
yes yo malume